Hi everyone, look at this bunny craft. Let's make it. So we're going to take this paper cup, make 3 holes and put 3 straws on each hole. And we're going to make the bunny ears and head, paste all of them, and look, it's ready. Take this plastic cup and paste earbuds on both the sides. You can paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to cover it using this brown clay. Make a ball and paste it on the top. We are making colorful hot air balloon. You can make colorful balls and paste it like this and it's done. So we're going to make these little animals using clay. Let's get started. So we're going to make 2 clay balls. On one we're going to paste the legs and tap all of them together. You can use earbuds, draw the eyes, and look, it's ready. So cut this heart shape and paste the stick. Now paste a bow, and you can also paste these colorful flowers using double-sided tape, and your heart stick is ready. Let's make this pineapple craft. So we're going to cut this square paper and then make the triangular shape. Now make more such papers and tuck 6 of them together, one after another, and then keep it aside. Now we're going to fold it and make this star shape look like this. After this, we're going to make 2 such shapes, and then we're going to tuck 8 paper together and make this shape for the center part. After this, we're going to make 4 such shapes and paste all of them one after another, and look, the pineapple fruit is ready. Let's make the crown now. So take another piece of paper. Here we're taking the green one, keep folding it and make 2 such shapes, and it's done. Here we're going to roll the clay and we are making the pink flowers. Tuck them together and it's ready. Now take this green clay, twist it, and then cover it using this plastic cup. The pot is ready. You can paste all the flowers on the twig and dab all of them like this. Look how pretty the flower pot is looking. Here we're going to make paper boats. Let's get started. So take this brown sheet of paper, fold it and make the triangular shape. Now fold it from the top and bottom, flip it and again fold it. After this, we're going to tuck the paper inside from the corners and gently open it from the center, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.